Hi everyone, this is a video on pronouns. There's quite a lot of pronouns and I spent ages trying to remember all of them, but hopefully this video will just help you understand them a little bit better. So the first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. This is the one that people normally think of when you think of pronouns. This refers to a speaker. So I, her, them, they, he, she, things like that. These are normally quite easily identified as pronouns. The next one are possessive pronouns. These express ownership or possession. So mine, hers, ours, and theirs. It just shows that something is owned by someone else. So if I was to say that bottle is mine, I'm taking possession of that bottle. I'm claiming it as my possession. I own it. That's just how I remember that one. Next one is indefinite pronouns. These don't refer to anything specifically. So if you were to say someone, something, or anywhere, they're just quite broad terms that are not specific at all. They could refer to like a number of different things. So like someone, it could be multiple people, it could be anyone. You don't really know, which is why they're indefinite pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. These I remembered as you point to them, so you're demonstrating that that's what that is. So you can have this, that, these. If you were to say like these shoes, or like that chair, those would be demonstrative pronouns. The next one, interrogative pronouns. These are pronouns that are used to ask a question. So if you were to say who or what, who's which, things like that. Like whose book is this? In that sense, that would be who would be the interrogative pronoun. And if I was to say whose book is this, and then someone will reply with it's mine, then the mine would be a possessive pronoun. Your next one is relative pronouns. These act as linking words in sentences and are placed immediately after the noun they're referred to. So I usually think of this one as what something is in relation to something else. But I did struggle quite a lot with these ones. But examples are like who, which, that, those, what. You can see that some of these overlap with other ones, so usually it just depends on the context. Last one is reflexive pronouns. These refer to nouns or pronouns in the same sentence. So these ones I think of a mirror. It's reflexive and you see yourself. So it's words like myself, themselves, herself, hisself, words like that. A few examples. He bought it for himself. So just the one that we just did. Hang on. He is a personal pronoun. The one I was looking at was himself. So reflexive pronouns. A city that has a lot of tourist attractions. That would be a relative pronoun because it's how the tourist attractions are in like relation to the city. Next one, somebody would be indefinite pronoun. Me being a personal pronoun and something also being an indefinite pronoun. This is because somebody and something are very general, they're not specific. Next one, she read that book again. She being a personal pronoun, that being a demonstrative pronoun because it's not just she read a book again, she read that specific book. Last one, I think, whose book is this? Whose being an interrogative pronoun, mine being a possessive pronoun. I'd completely forgot that I put this in there, which is why I explained it before. But I think I managed to put in every type of pronoun on this slide. But you can always do some more research and stuff like this. I'll try and make sure that this PowerPoint is available to everyone in case I've been talking too fast and you just want to look through it by yourself. But I hope that made sense.